Hey guys, Julie here from Erin Designs. Today I thought I'd do a quick video about Spoonflower, which is another print-on-demand website that I've recently started a shop with. They've been around for quite a while though, actually. I just had never sort of figured out how to get my designs on there. And since I started my shop just a few months ago, I've actually made quite a few sales and done pretty decently on here. So I just wanted to share with you guys this print on demand site and just a little bit more about it. So this is my shop that I have here on Spoonflower. Now they mainly cater to people who do like seamless pattern design because a lot of their products are basically fabric and like wallpaper and home decor and kitchen decor and stuff like that. You can see my product here. It's showing it on this fabric, so you can, a lot of people seem to buy like test swatches of the fabric and then they'll come back and potentially purchase a larger amount of like wallpaper or something like that. But you can see some of the products here. They're very like beautifully displayed. I really like some of the images, the mock-ups here, which are great for sharing to social media. And the other thing I really like about Spoonflower is that they have these design challenges. So they're basically giving you ideas about what is trending or going to be trending in the upcoming season. So if you can create designs around these challenges, it's really going to help you kind of stand out and create designs that are going to be trending and going to sell. And so the thing about Spoonflower is that in order to publish your designs for sale, you do have to purchase a test swatch, which is kind of annoying, but I do have sort of a workaround. It's not really a workaround, you still have to pay, but it's like the cheapest way that I have found to get samples of your designs. So before we move on about the challenges, I just wanted to mention that you can enter the challenges with any of your designs. You don't have to have them posted for sale, so you can like upload all of your designs and have them not be for sale and then just go in and like make them for sale later. So you can just start uploading your designs and enter them into the challenges, and then with the challenges, if you do get into the top 50, I believe, of the challenge, then here we go. Remaining, okay, so the top 50 voted designs will be automatically made for sale in the Spoonflower marketplace. So you don't have to buy the swatch. So it says no $5 swatch required here. So if you do just buy a single swatch, it's $5. So, I mean, it can totally add up. So the workaround that I have found to get the cheapest samples is collections. So you just create a collection here, create new collection, and I just gave up on trying to turn them into collections like with a theme because I just wanted to get them up there and enabled for sale as quickly as possible. So basically the hack is to create a collection and add exactly 42 designs to your collection. Exactly 42, and I'll show you why. So you're going to go in here, and I've got 42 designs. They're all enabled. They don't actually even have to be enabled yet. They can just be uploaded, and you know, you don't have to fill out all the information. So we're gonna see up here it says want to use this collection for fill yard project. So we're gonna go into start designing, and you're gonna choose this 1 yard up to 42 design cheater quilt and leave it on the Petal Signature Cotton. That's their cheapest one, I believe, and design project. So here you basically just start filling in all these squares with each one of your designs. Yeah, I'm just gonna speed this up and okay, well, I decided not to finish filling it in because my computer is being really slow for some reason. But anyway, the point is that you would fill in each one of these squares with each of these designs and then all the way to the end and hit add to cart. Saying this, but anyway, you're not going to want to have that, so it wouldn't be a problem. So now you can go to your cart, and you can see that this whole quilt with 42 different samples is $18.50 USD. So that's way cheaper than 42 times $5 each. So this is what I've done to get all of my swatches, all of my designs enabled as cheaply and as quickly as possible on Spoonflower, so I could start making money. And I will tell you that I have made my money back, plus some, and it's, you know, May and June, so that's pretty much like the lowest time for retail. So I'm really looking forward to like Christmas time and getting a whole bunch of sales, and I'm assuming people are like buying fabric to create gifts and things, and people buy the fabric to make their own clothes and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how things go with Spoonflower. I've been adding my designs to the challenges and stuff like that, and finding the challenges really fun and inspiring. So yeah, I hope this video has been helpful for you guys, and that you are going to consider Spoonflower to add to your print-on-demand shops. And if you have any other questions about Spoonflower, I'm still kind of new to it, so I may not know the answer, but feel free to leave a comment below, and make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be sharing more print-on-demand tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff, and fun art-related stuff. And just before we go, I wanted to mention that once they have shipped your samples, that is when you can start to go in and enable each of them for sale. So you have to go to each individual design and click on where it says make for sale, or make public in your shop, or something like that. Make for sale, I think, is what it is. So if you or you can wait until you receive them and just double check that everything looks good and everything, and then you can go in and enable them. But if someone's waiting and really wants to purchase your pattern, which some people do actually like message me asking for it, then you can enable it as soon as you get the notification that they have shipped your cheater quilt thing. Yeah, so anyway, that's all I have to share with you guys today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other print-on-demand tips, tricks, tutorials, art-related stuff in the future. Okay, see you in the next one. Cheers.